Hello, this is my last time in college, so get ready with me for school and today I'll wear something yellow. First off, sorry for being MIA. Ang tagal kong nawala kasi super busy talaga. And like, ngayon na nga lang ako nakapag-ayos ulit eh. Galing na ako sa school kanina, tapos umuwi ako para maligo and everything. Yeah. Anyway, whatever. Ito yung napili ko na yellow top kasi gusto ko talaga siyang matry i-style. Very flashy siya because of, you know, these... pero gusto ko siyang gawing somehow simple. Kasi pwede natin siyang i-style na parang very colorful, very fun. Pero gusto ko siyang i-neutralize kung baga. Ganyan siya. Cute siya actually. I really like the color. Pero sabi ko nga, diba, parang gawin natin siyang simple lang today. So gusto ko siyang i-pair with this denim na pants. Saan ko nabili? Of course, ukay. Saan pa ba? This is how they look together. Ayan siya. And sinadya kong denim yung pants kasi gusto ko i-pair yung yellow na top with this top. And then may yellow kasi siya and may blue stuff siya there. So, blue for this, and then yellow, of course, for this. Very simple lang, but still somehow, you know, put together. And then, susutin ko for the shoes is white. Okay, so this is the look that we have. Ayan. Simple lang, yeah. Better than how I've looked the past few days sa school. My gosh. Anyway, nakukulangan ako sa yellow, so let's put this. Let's use this bag. Ayan. This is our final fit. Na lang, cute-cute lang, simple-simple lang. Ito yung ukay dito, the rest. Ito, pre-love. Ito, TikTok shops. Ito, Enka. So, that's it. I'll go to school now. And as usual, see you on Instagram. Bye-bye!